We'd like to give you a standing ovation. Alright. I guess that's the end of it. And Mr. Ryan, I know we're better than that. Okay. As today marks the ending of our journey and probably the beginning of an even bigger one, on behalf of the class of 2014, I'd like to say that it has been an absolute pleasure to spend our most memorable time in this school. And we will treasure all the memories made with friends, teachers, principals, staffs that have helped and brightened our days. So, thank you very much. And thank you, Christy, for helping us out in the back. All right, we're done.